In this video, we will learn how to create a playlist on YouTube. Let's get started. Here, I am on the YouTube page. From here, let's choose any video. Go over there and click on these three dots. You can see download, clip, save, and report options. I will go with save. You can choose to watch later or create a new playlist. I am going to create a new playlist. Enter playlist name. In privacy, choose public, unlisted, and private options. I will choose private. And click on create. Now, refresh your YouTube page. Click on these three horizontal lines, a sidebar will open. Here, you can see my list. Click on the list. Here you can see, my list is created. You can change the list name from here. Change privacy. Add a description. And save. You can play all videos from here, and shuffle as well. If you click on these three vertical dots, you can see, add videos, add all to, collaborate, playlist settings, and delete playlists. You can download videos from your playlist. If you go there and click on these dots, you can add a video to the queue, save it to watch later, save it to the playlist, remove from my list, download, share, move to the top or bottom, and set it as a playlist thumbnail. This is how you can create a playlist on YouTube. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.